Oh my god. My luggage is so heavy. I don't think I'm gonna survive TSA. Let the sparkles begin. Oh my god, did you just hear my moan, Bob? Hashtag life over 30. Why is he starting his shit already? Like, when he tried to put in my bag.
Why'd you have that?
I'm gonna fuck you up.
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through. Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my loving, call me and I'll step on through. And we can talk all night long. If you want this loving, then call me and I'll drive to you. And we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll come through. Just call me and I'll come through. Just call me and I'll come through.
We're here, D. Yeah. No,
Only one? Okay. Only for the birthday? Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
First drink in Punta Cana. Bro. Diaz agreeing with the receptionist. First red flag.
Bring it this way. I need them to hear me. First red flag was Jackie used to be a YouTuber. Got a brand new camera. Oh, excuse me. Got a brand new camera. $500 camera. Where is it? You asked? Oh yeah.
It's in my bag.
Where is it? You asked? Oh, it's in her bag. It's still in the box. It's still in the box. The second red flag was so we've been to the resort. And the resort said, "Hey, we like you. We want to give you the best room in the resort."
No, that is not the best room.
House. A two-story house. My wife said, "What? Fuck you. I don't want that. Keep me in the low place where I was."
First of all, you know what? I'm gonna talk about this when I get to the room.
Yeah, because she wants to make a buck. She wants to make a buck. Cool story to tell.
No, it's not a cool story. I'm actually
It's gonna get
upset
better.
about
Let's
it,
see what she tells you.
but I'm waiting to see the room. I'm giving the benefit of the doubt, but I'm very upset, and I think you guys are gonna agree with me.
Okay,
Red
let's see.
flag. Red flag.
Look, you got a red flag right on your shirt.
Asking Diaz to order a cappuccino so I don't have to ask for another one, and he's telling me no. Red flag.
Jackie, 40-something years old, here on her birthday, and I'm gonna ask her
I am not
big girl
fucking
stuff.
40.
Red flag.
The rice pudding is perfection. And you said the fruits are good? Making me carry my own heavy bag. Red flag.
Making me come on vacation. I have 101.
Oh my god.
Basically, what they have, it's an adventure. ATVs.
I give it a 10 out of 10 because we left out of New York
So to shower in the water.
Easter. I didn't think we was going to make it.
But that doesn't make this a 10 out of 10.
I'm glad I got here.
No, honestly,
I'm very glad I got here too. But
Glad I'm here, so I'm grateful.
because I'm grateful to have made it, I'll give them a 6 out of 10 so far.
Red flag. I give it. I thought.
So we walk in. Oh wait, so this here, right next to the door, right here, you have where you would put your dirty dishes if you order room service. And then you walk in, and to your left, you have a little table here, and then the bathroom. Very nice. The shower. Oh, I love these kind of showers. And then el toilato. And then our beautiful bed. Oh wait, don't forget the closet. We have a little bathroom. Oh, dude, they have a steamer. And I freaking brought mine, making my luggage weigh 4,000 pounds. Look at how beautiful they put our bed. And the little swans. And then we have a bottle of Absolute, Jack Daniels, Barcelo, some cafe, and then we have here some juice. He said everything we can have, everything's included. But you have to leave the bottle. Then you have this little couch area. Look at how sweet. And then still inside the room, you have this little jacuzzi here. It's inside. So all this is glass. And then there's a little seating area, but that's outside. And then we come out here. A little resting area. Another little hidden area in there. And then our pool. And then you come. I actually really love this one. Cause then it still feels like we're outside, but then we don't have to deal with the crowds. And then we have the beach right there. We can literally lay and sit right here and listen to that or that. This is amazing. I'm in love. Alright guys, we're walking around. We're gonna see what's in the hotel.
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through. Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my loving, call me and I'll step on you. And we can talk all night long. If you want this loving, then call me and I'll drive to you. And we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll come through.
making me walk next to the water on this side so the waves knock me down. Red flag. I'll say 9 out of 10. The beach is nice, it's clean. There's not as much seaweed as people were saying. Yeah, there's like no seaweed at all. It's more, yeah, none. That's part. We're just exploring the beach, walking around. Wearing our neon green.
These are the walks. These are the walks that I've been watching on YouTube. So if you got maybe thousands of views in the last month, it was because of me.
It was this guy.
So now I'm here and I'm making my own video. So please return the favor, guys. Don't do that.
Don't be shady. Don't be shady.
Put my views up too.
Does it feel the same, like watching it in person?
It actually feels better watching it than in person.
A baby, really?
Yeah, because being here in the weather, it's like, boring.
He's full of shit.
I like hearing the cars and shit outside. Fighting. Having to go to work the next day and this, that.
We gotta try to find some pina coladas. That's high on our agenda right now. Alright.
Shouldn't be because we're at our own exclusive.
They don't have as many outside as I thought. But I think it's because we moved away from ours. Yeah, we're far away from ours. Can we go in there? That's only for the lifeguard.
You mean the ship with the big ass red flag?
Yeah.
Looking for internet trip? Forget about eSIMs with just one GB.
We're running to go catch the Michael Jackson show. This is my date. Let's go. Are we going the wrong way again? We're in the serpentine. We made I think this is just, they bring this to everyone. And then you got, what did I order you?
I really.
Alright, I'll write it down.
For you?
Okay, we have the something duo. What was this called again? Something duo. Okay, update. What do we give them now after dinner at Surf and Turf?
I don't know, all the little appetizers. I'm not looking for this to be like 5 stars.
But I actually really liked it. The bread was delicious. The crispy duo, I think it was called, was very good.
That was good. I'm not here for that.
And honestly, those tacos were good also. So what number you give?
Like, that experience?
Just all together so far, how we're liking DR.
Still at 10.
10? 9.5 out of 10. And now we're running to the Michael Jackson show. Hopefully it's the Michael Jackson show, because on the app it actually says something elegant circus show.
I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You opened up my scars. I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You opened up my scars. I think I need a
you in Punta Cana. Good morning.
Just woke up. She just woke up. I've been up since 4 something.
You should be. You went to sleep at 9 o'clock.
Watching the sunrise.
We had plans. We said no matter what, we're staying up every night. We're gonna do our thing in Punta Cana.
I'm sorry. I was up since 2 days ago. My fault. I fell asleep.
Yes. I had to go to sleep early yesterday with Grandpa. Actually, no, I stayed up and I looked through my pictures and my albums. I was making sure my camera was cool. We're trying to run down and get some breakfast. Hopefully they're open. Today we're going to Scape Park. We're gonna be zip lining. Hopefully we go down into the caves. I'm really excited about that. And then the dune buggies. I'll be back. Pretty cool. So when we come down from our room here, the market kitchen is right here. Can we come in through this way? Are they even open? Ah, my finger. Come on. Look at how pretty they make their bread in the middle, like a flower. Right, look who's making us late for our excursion. He says that when women go on vacation alone, they always miss their excursions because they always run late.
Documented evidence. Check it out.
And look who's making us late. Alright, we finally made it to Scape Park. We were on a journey this morning.
15 minutes.
That's a lie because we were 15
there,
minutes
exactly.
late. Oh, he probably got there as soon as we got there. So we had booked our excursion through Expedia, and they told us to meet them in the lobby by 7:35, but somebody was still eating, as I have it documented earlier at like
Come on, guys.
7:40. It was our fault. So we had to book a taxi to get over here. I paid $65 on top of what we already paid for the excursion. But we met our bus driver. He was here. So he told us where to meet him at. So we're here. We're getting ready to check in to have fun. It was like, how long was that? An hour and like 10 minutes. Hour and 10-minute ride to get here. An hour ride to get here.
Probably less than that. Maybe like 40 minutes. 45
No, because even on the app, the map app, it said an hour and 9 minutes.
I timed it was at least like 40-45 minutes because we stopped to get gas, and I had an hour on my thing. And my watch started beeping. That was an hour.
Oh, okay.
And we were already here.
Okay, so maybe a little less. There was no traffic. The Uber driver was saying, "Wow, very good, no traffic." So we probably just beat the traffic. I love it. Over here, they have so many butterflies, like everywhere. They just fly around you. They have like more butterflies than birds.
Yes, mad butterflies. So you know I see scared of butterflies.
Yeah. This guy right here is already shaking in his water shoes. Okay, we're just walking around now because our ATV, our buggies are not until 11, and we got in here late because of him.
No, we got here right on time.
So
We got here exactly the same exact time as our bus.
no, he wasn't here.
Pay for it. What are you talking about? They pulled up. You were following them, remember?
Oh, really?
I told you it'd be funny if that was our bus.
So they scheduled hours for 11 o'clock. So we're trying to do stuff that stays near here so that way we don't miss 11 o'clock. So we're just going to walk around and see what they have here.
I think this is zip line.
Alright guys, first activity is zip lining. I'm scared. My vagina is smashed. Oh my god.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Jackie panic.
Baby, we did it. Is it fun?
Yeah, I think he was like, woo, when I jumped into our shit.
Why'd you jump?
I was going fast, yo. I was like, nah, if I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna go down hard.
But it goes down fast already.
I didn't know.
So we were just saying the zip line, the water one, is pretty good. You have to be like pretty good because we're out of breath when we work out. We go for walks. He does all these other crazy exercises.
Yeah.
And we're out of breath. You think it's because we're scared?
It's not. Yeah, it's more excitement.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still hanging.
Alright, baby. Out of 10?
Yeah, that was good.
10?
Like 10.
10 out of 10? That was really fun. And the water is like so refreshing.
I mean, I'll give it a 9 because you started crying.
What?
I don't know.
Are the cenotes this way? The cave is I don't know which way to go. I feel like guacamole. Oh, getaway wheels. Is that it? Getaway wheels? Be careful with the tarantulas. I have a deal with the tarantulas. Look, my smile. My smile is on the wrong side.
Oh, look.
Alright, we're getting ready. Diaz almost made us late again. Red flag. Chicken breast with french fries, quesadilla with french fries, and 2 bottles of water, about $34. I'm happy.
You don't listen. Yeah, you don't listen.
See, but I know how to swim.
Okay.
And you were leaving and I'm trying to... Oh my god! It's so beautiful. We're in the forest. We're trying to find our way through Scape Park. We were looking for the waterfall anyway.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you, Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to.
Oh, oh.
Look at how sexy. Hello, Mr. Handsome. You're at Glass Steakhouse. Diaz just called out of work.
No, I don't even know the number to do that.
You what?
I don't even know the number to do that.
He deserves 2 steaks after his run today.